Hi, my name is Dr. David Silverman. I'm on the medical professionals board of a company, ASEA, and you are here because you want to learn how to use this product properly. The ASEA liquid I'm going to focus on, and the two gels, Redox gels, Redox Gold and Renew 28. The company has a lot of other products, different product lines, but I'm focusing on these right now because this is what's unique to this company. Nobody has this, and this is a gift for humanity. I've been involved for 15 years with this, and I'm very passionate about people getting results as quickly as possible. So that's why we're here. So there are two things you want to do to validate this product. Okay. One is the liquid and the gel. The gel version is very easy. Here's what you do. This one focuses on skin issues, but impacts inflammatory pathways. This one focuses on inflammatory pathways, but also can have benefits for skin. The fastest way for someone to validate this is to take the two gels. We'll wait on the liquid here. This is the more important product. We'll wait. Take the two gels and go see 10 people and ask them if they have anything that hurts them. And go until you find 10 who do have something that hurts them. You take this form and you ask them what level their love is their hurting level on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 being horrible, 1 being a little bit. And this is a 10-minute test. That's it, 10 minutes. And you'll be stunned. And they rate where they write down where they hurt, their back, their hip, their knee, the level of hurting 1 to 10, and follow this simple protocol I'm going to tell you right now with the gels, and you watch what happens to 9 out of 10 people. Okay. What they do is rate their discomfort 1 to 10. They shake up this one, the Redox Gold, apply it to the area that hurts liberally, whatever it is. It'll dry very quickly. There's no smell, there's no greasiness to it. If they're down to a 0, in about 3 to 5 minutes, just stop. You don't have to continue. If they're not down to a 0, do it again with this one on the area that hurts, but also put it on the front of the throat over the vagus nerves here. I don't have time to explain it. Just look up VAGUS, vagus nerves. Okay. Then you do that. Then you wait 3 to 5 minutes. If it's down to a 0, stop. If it's not down to a 0, repeat that second step with the Renew 28 on the area that hurts and here. And then you be the judge. We can't make medical claims about this product. Yes, it works for wrinkles. Yes, it works for skin things. But nowhere in the literature and the companies, well, mildly, does it say what it does for things that hurt. But you watch what happens to 9 out of 10 people. Okay. Now, similarly, as you're baselining the level of hurting before you touch anybody with the gel. This is the one for the drink. This is a health benchmark form, and you fill this out, everything about your health right now. Energy, sleep, mood, numbness in your feet, blood sugar levels, weight, hair loss. You're going to take pictures of your skin before you touch any of the products and write down everything about where you are today. And keep doing what you're doing. It does not interfere with medications. You've watched other videos, I'm sure. This is in you already. Your cells make this, but you made more when you were younger. And you produce less and less as you age. So when you drink it, your body knows what it is. So you can't be allergic to it. It does not interfere with medicines because it's already in you and there's no toxicity to it. Hey, this stuff is so safe that if you wanted to, you can put the liquid in a little mister like this. See the mist coming out? I'm just showing you how safe this is. I'm putting it in my eye. I'm breathing it into my lungs. So it's very, very safe. Okay. But you want to get a good baseline as to where you are, and you're going to reassess after day 7, day 30, day 90. All these things, including taking serial photographs. Okay. If you follow my instructions, what you should find is a 15% chance that in the first week, something dramatic is going to change. 15% of people see something dramatic change in the first week. 60% do after 1 month, and 90% do after 90 days. Double-blind studies show that there's an effect immediately in your body. It's a matter of when you will feel it and when you will see it. So photographs are important, all right? Let me just give you an example of some photographs that you might want to take. Take pictures of everything. Again, no medical claims made. Just take pictures of everything so you can prove it to yourself. Yes, it works on animals too. Okay? A lab in Germany, Dermatest, you can look them up. They validated what just the Renew 28 let alone the other anti-aging products we have, does for skin. So your pictures are not going to lie. It's your camera. You look at the pictures, and you see the difference, nobody can say, you're not going to say, well, those are retouched photographs. So how do you drink this product? First of all, drink a lot of water during the day. You want to stay well hydrated. Your body is going to detox, meaning your body's going to try to purge itself of a lot of toxins that are trapped in you. If you're not well hydrated, they get stuck in you. And if they're stuck in you and your bloodstream, you could get a headache, you could be tired, you could get a rash, you might have diarrhea. It's not this causing it, it's the toxins that it released from your cells that are stuck in you. So drink a lot of water. If it tastes funny to you, if it tastes really like swimming pool water, that means you're toxic. Your taste buds are affected by toxins. Over days or a few weeks, it will start tasting like water because you're detoxing. Okay. If you don't like the taste of it, put it in the refrigerator at the beginning. Okay. It doesn't have to be refrigerated, but it might help the taste if it's distasteful to you. Okay. So you drink a lot of water. Okay. Every box comes with a 2-ounce cup, a 60 ml cup, not with a smiley. I wrote the smiley on there. You pour the liquid into the cup. You put the cap back on the bottle. Do not drink out of the bottle. It's the same reason you don't mix this with anything. Anything that gets in contact that's organic, milk, juice, saliva, it will start to weaken it. It doesn't make it dangerous, just loses its potency. If you drink out of the bottle, the saliva is there to weaken what's in there. Okay, I'll tell you how much to drink here in a second. So you drink a lot of water to stay well hydrated. You don't mix it with anything. You put it in the cup and you hold it in your mouth for 30 seconds and swish it before you swallow it. Why? Because it gets into your bloodstream through absorption through your tissues, your mouth, your gum, your esophagus, not through digestion. Now, this is the best way to do it. People can just swallow it. If someone really is combative, someone with memory loss or a child on the spectrum, just have them swallow it. It'll still have an effect. It's just the best way to take it is hold it for 30 seconds in your mouth. Okay. Now, how much to take? The first week, 7 days, one of these in morning, one at night. That's 2 ounces in the morning, 2 ounces at night, 60 milliliters in the morning, 60 milliliters at night. Okay. After 1 week, reassess. If you're in the 15% of people that are like, wow, this is incredible, just stay there. That's what it says on the bottle. It says 4 ounces a day. That's for people that are really, really healthy. People that have issues, they're going to probably drink more. Most people drink 6 ounces a day. I drink 8. But at day 7, if you are not having any detox symptoms, and less than 10% of people do have detox symptoms, a headache or tired, less than 10%, if you haven't seen a change and you're not having any detox symptoms, then at day 7, this is really important. Temporarily double it to 8 ounces a day. We call it the magic 8. Now you're going to do 2 of these in the morning and 2 of these at night. The reason we don't start people at 8 ounces a day is because more people would have detox symptoms. We don't want people to get a headache. If you get a headache, people think, oh gosh, this is bad for me. It's not. But we want to make it pleasant. So less than 10% of people that start at 1 in the morning, 1 at night will have detox symptoms. More would if they started with doubling it. But at day 7, if you're not seeing changes, temporarily double it to 8 ounces a day and stay there until you see some significant changes. Now, some people need even more. Some people need 10. Some people need 12. Most people, what I'm saying is enough, but there's no limit. There's no toxicity to this. You can drink the whole bottle if you want to. You don't have to spend that much money, but you can. There are people that do, that have significant issues going on in their bodies, that are scary issues, but you don't have to do that. When you go to 8 ounces a day or 240 ml, by day 30, 60% of people see something dramatic change. And by day 90, 90% do. Once you see your changes, if you want to save money and see if 6 ounces will be as good as 8, go to 6 ounces a day, which is about 180 ml, and stay there and see if everything continues to do well and things continue to get better. Because over 6 months, a year, you're going to see other things keep changing. It's really incredible. Okay. And so that's the best way to take the product. Now, there are other things you can do. We're not making any medical claims, but if I had eye issues, I know this can't hurt me, I would put it in my eye. Okay. If I had breathing issues, I would breathe it into my lungs. I'm not saying it can help anything because this is not a cure or treatment for anything. It's helping your body hear where there are problems so your body can take care of the problem. If I had something going on with my thyroid, I would be putting the gel on my thyroid as well. Not making any claims, just saying these are not medical products, so we're not making claims. Have I had anything going on with my brain? Which my wife will tell you that I do. But if I had anything going on with my brain, I would be putting the gels around my throat and my neck. Remember, we said for things that hurt, you can put the gel right here on your vagus nerve. Well, if you have memory, mood, something happened where you lost function on a side of your body, use a gel all day long around your throat and your neck and on your brain stem. Brain stem is the little bump at the back of your skull, right under it. It's soft. Use the gel there. Again, you don't have to be a doctor to do this, to share this with people. This video explains that my background was podiatry and foot surgery. I own my own practice and surgery center in the state of Maryland. I was board certified in foot surgery. You don't have to be. This is so easy. You drink it and you wear it. You drink it and you wear it, putting it on your skin. I think that's it. I think this is pretty simple. You can get those forms from the person who introduced this to you. And remember, this website is howtouseredox.com, howtouseredox.com. And hopefully this is helpful to you. Have realistic expectations on results. Give this 90 days to see something significant happen. But take the gels and go see 10 people who are hurting. And it's a 10-minute test. And you, as God is my witness, you'll know that this is real. Okay, thank you. Get back with the person who introduced this to you. Stay connected, plug in, so you can get the whole picture as to everything this product can do. Thanks so much.